and welcome back. I'm Nicole from LiveX, and in this video, we'll walk through how to create and connect to a production instance in VVCR. A production instance is an AWS virtual computer. It allows you to run applications like vMix or any other Windows-based software without needing a high-powered physical machine. Your production instance runs inside the same VPC as your VVCR streams, which allows the production instance to send and receive video using NDI, which we'll go over that part in another video. To get started, go to the Production tab and click on Add New Instance. First, give it a name, so I'm just going to call this Test. Then select a cluster to link it to. If you want to use NDI inputs, you'll need to link the instance to a cluster with transcoding enabled. If you only need a cloud workstation and won't be using NDI, you can select none. For this instance, I'm going to attach it to my demo cluster. Now you can see it displays the region and the VPC attached to that cluster. If I don't attach it to an existing cluster, you'll have to select a region to host your production instance. Next, choose an instance family and then select an instance type. Each instance type has different performance capabilities, so review the descriptions here on the right to choose the best option for your workflow. Also, the larger the instance, the higher the price, and we have a link to the AWS pricing on this article on our website. So for this demo, I'm just going to select G4DN, which is one that we typically use, and just select a G4DN X large. VVCR will automatically generate a password for your instance. If you prefer your own, you can click into this box and type in your own password. If you need additional storage attached to your production instance, you can click on this checkbox and type in the additional storage size you want, and it is in gigabytes. I don't need it for this instance, so I'm going to uncheck that. And then once you're ready, press save. It will take a few minutes for your production instance to be created. While that is happening, the status will display launching, and it will switch to active once it's ready. While we're waiting, we're going to download DCV Viewer. Amazon DCV allows you to connect to your production instance in the cloud. It is a high-performance remote display protocol that enables secure connections to remote machines like production instances in VVCR. It's optimized for remote production environments and supports multiple display, USB devices, and customizable display settings. We'll have more of these features in another video. It is free and requires no additional configuration. To get started, you need to download the client application. To find that, you can click on this help icon here. And this is our help article on this video. Scroll down until you see this link for AmazonDCV.com. Then you'll click on the first option, which is DCV Client. Click the download link for whatever computer you are going to be using to connect to your production instance. So right now I'm on a Windows computer, so I'm going to click Windows 86. So then you'll follow the prompts. If you want to use a USB device with your production instance in the cloud, you need to enable this. So just click on this little checkbox here and click will be installed on local hard drive, and then click next. Okay, you can see now that the production instance is active, but before we log into it, let's go over the production tab. So as you can see, every production instance you have will be listed here in the center of the screen. VVCR displays the name of the production instance, its host name, the private IP address, the instance type of the production instance, the username, password, its current status, the date it was created on, a restart button in case your production instance runs into any errors, the start button to start the production instance, the stop button to stop it, and the delete button. It's important to stop or delete your production instance once you're done using it so you don't get charged for keeping it active. So now let's log into it. So I'm going to open up Amazon DCV Client, and then we're going to copy the host name, paste that into DCV, then paste in the username, which will always be administrator, and then copy over the password. And once you're ready, click login. So now you can see we are in the production instance, and it looks just like a Windows computer. Your production instance comes pre-installed with NDI Tools, vMix, Companion, and Adobe Creative Cloud. You will need to provide your own licenses and logins for vMix and Creative Cloud. If your cluster has NDI transcoding enabled, you will be able to access VVCR streams through NDI Studio Monitor or directly within vMix, and we go over all of that in another video. Hover over the top of the screen or click on these three dots to get to the DCV client menu. You can find settings, microphone, speaker, camera, the full screen button, notifications, and then your menu. Here you can take screenshots, send the Control-Alt-Delete command, learn more about DCV, or save your settings, or this allows you to disconnect from DCV. So we are going to do that now. And since I'm now done with my production instance, I'm going to stop it. And it will give you a warning pop-up to make sure you are ready to stop it, or once you're ready to delete your production instance. And that's everything you need to know about production instances in VVCR. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or check out our other videos on VVCR. Thanks for watching and happy broadcasting.